Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today this video we're going to discuss about the wooden decorative shelves which are the perfect blend of style and functionality for any room. So whether you're looking to decorate your living room, bedroom or your kitchens, wooden shelves are a best option for this. So in this video I'll cover their advantages, key features and their price range. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So first let's talk about why wooden shelves are the most have of your home interior, because it has some beautiful advantages. Like first one is the versatile storage. These shelves are the perfect for displaying books, collection, plants or even your kitchen selections. They maximize the vertical space, keeping your floor clutter free, ideal for small apartments. Another advantages of aesthetic appeal. A decorative shelves bring warmth and elegance to any space. So their natural grain and texture add a timeless, rustic or modern vibe depending upon the finish. So whether it's a sleek or a rustic, they blend the seamless with any decor style, like you can see in this video. Another advantages of space saving solutions. So wall mounted wooden shelves free up the floor space, making room feel larger and more organized. Even the corner shelves like the Salvador designs are great for utilizing awkward space. And one of the best advantages of these shelves are durability, because wood, especially solid wood like mango or shisham, is built to last, unlike the plastic or metal. So high quality wooden shelves can handle heavier items and stay steady for years. Another option is the customization and decorating. So from low floating shelves to ones with hooks or cabinets, wooden shelves can be both functional and a statement piece. They are perfect for showcasing your room interior designs through the decor. It can match any room interior designs, so you can see in this video. Friends, it has some beautiful key features for wooden shelves, like you will get lots of varieties of designs, like you got optional floating shelves for minimalist look, for a traditional wipe, or shelves with the key holders for entryways. There are even corner shelves for tight space. And this material quality is also, you will get good, like solid wood like sesame, mango, offers a durability and a premium look. And even you will get the budget friendly options like MDF with wood like finish for a budget friendly. Another features is finishes and colors. So from natural wood tones to painted finishes like white, brown, blue, will color different colors in their dual colors. So you can match any decor theme or matte finishes that add the extra flair to your room. So depending upon the brackets or mountain system, wooden shelves can hold anywhere from 20 to 25 pounds weight. So perfect for books, decor or even heavy ideals in puja room. And one of the best key feature is easy installations, because to most shelves come with the mounting hardware and clear instructions. So floating shelves with console brackets give a sleek modern look. These features makes them modern wooden shelves both practical and a stylish additional to any of your rooms. So friends, now we're going to discuss about the price, because the cost of decorative wooden shelves varies based on material, size and the brand. So friends, actually the price starts from 75 rupees, so it totally depends upon the material quality and the size also, and the price goes to, you will get in everything in your budget only. You will get different prices, like you will get in 75, 100, 200 rupees, 300, 400. So even in the 7, 800 rupees is also there, 1200 rupees. The price is totally depends upon the size and the quality of the material. Friends, want to make your decorative shelves more look trendy, so here are the some quick styling tips. Like first is mix and match the items. So combine books, small plants or photo frames for a balanced look. Use the boxes on lower shelf for hidden storage. and even you can add the lights or LED strip for cozy vibe. For a minimalist look, stick to 3D items per shelves to avoid the clutter free. So friends, you can check out my description also. There are the beautiful wooden shelf designs are available. So friends, that's it for today's video. Uh, Today we have gone through beautiful decorative wall shelf designs and their advantages, the price, and what are the key points, key features for that, and how to decorate that wooden shelves. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to select the best decorative wall shelf designs. So friends, my it is simple request to you that please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Please like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again, and keep supporting to my channel. So friends, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.